My name is Daniela Lepla, and I'm going to be showing you how to use a website called Pixlr. This is a website that can be used when students need to make projects and include pictures with characters that would not show up together. So you just search Pixlr, and the link is right here. You can sign up for free, so if you go ahead and click that, there are several ways to sign up. You can just log into the site itself. There's Facebook, and if you click more providers, there's various other choices here. I would suggest signing up with your Google account. You can scroll down on the Pixlr website and you will find these three boxes. Click on the first one, the one that says Pixlr Editor, and launch the web app. Once it pops up, there will be this screen right here. You want to choose one of these options, depending if you want to just have a blank canvas in the background, if you want to use a picture from your computer storage, or I would choose to open image from a URL. So I just went ahead and I found an image, copy image URL. Now we have our background for a picture. Now that we have our background layer in there, we are going to add another picture. So if you go ahead and you find another picture that you're going to add, like for this project, a student would be adding cartoon characters to images that they don't belong. So copy an image URL, then go back over to the Pixlr app, and in all of these tabs up at the top, there's one that says layer. Go ahead and click on that, and then go down to open image URL as layer. Then you're going to Control V, paste the link in there. If you go ahead and click edit and then free transform, then you can make your picture so that it fits in your background. So all I did was I hit free transform, and then I made it much smaller than it originally was. And now you see it has this weird white background to it, and we don't want that because that's obscuring the rest of our picture. So we want to apply the changes of the size. And then over on the left, there are all these little options of little different gadgets you can use. And this first one here is called the wand tool. And if you click on a picture, it will take out all of what it considers to be the background. Some pictures it is more difficult to do if it has like a busy background, but in this case it's fairly simple. So now we just have Tinkerbell. And then we can go ahead and move off from there. And there we have Tinkerbell standing right next to Jake and the Neverland Pirate. Just to show you again, you can go and you find another image, copy image URL, go back to your app, go back up to layer, open image URL as layer, Control V, and then our next image is in there. We're going to go back up to edit again and hit free transform. And just make it smaller. If you just hit enter, then it will go back to our wand that we have. So go ahead and click on the white background and hit delete to get rid of the area that it has with the dots around it. And now we have successfully added Pooh Bear into our picture. And if you have a busy background, you can use an eraser tool and scrub out some of the backgrounds. There are also other tools where you can move things, you can smudge out areas. There's red eye reduction. You can use these to make an image, different shapes and sizes. There's changing the colors. This is for here on the layers. That selects each layer that your different picture is on, because they're not all on the same layer. And that's why this app is great to use for kids, because if you use an eraser and you erase one layer, it's not going to erase all the way down to the back. And that is how you use Pixlr. And I hope this has been helpful for you.